In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-labels in Gmail. This useful little skill will help you stay organized and manage your emails more efficiently by categorizing them under main labels. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account and you have a visible list of your email labels on the left side of your dashboard. These labels act like folders and can help you sort your emails based on categories of your choice. Now, the goal here is to create a sub-label, which is like a subfolder, under one of these existing labels. This can help you further organize emails within a broader category. To start, take a look at your list of labels on the left. Hover over the label under which you want to create a sub-label. You'll notice that some icons appear on the right side of that label, one of which looks like 3 vertical dots. This icon represents a menu for additional options. Click on these 3 dots to open the menu. Once you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for the option that says Add Sub-Label and click it. This is where you're going to create your new subcategory, simplifying your email sorting process under this main label. Now, a small window will pop up, prompting you to enter the name of your new sub-label. Be sure to choose a name that makes sense for what you're organizing. For example, if your main label is work, you might name your sub-label Project A. Take a moment to type your desired name into the field provided. Once you've typed in the desired name for your sub-label, you're almost done. Simply click the Create button to finalize the process. This action will save your new sub-label under the main label you selected, and you'll be able to see it listed below as a slightly indented entry beneath your main label, indicating its status as a sub-label. You've now successfully created a sub-label in Gmail. This will help you sort your emails into more specific categories, making them easier to find and manage as your Gmail grows in complexity. You can create multiple sub-labels under a single main label if needed, organizing even further for various tasks or projects you might have. With these simple steps, managing your inbox can become a much smoother process, reducing the chaos and making it easier for you to handle your day-to-day communications efficiently. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and encourages you to explore more ways to automate and streamline your Gmail experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Gmail.